A very warm welcome back from the weekend, everyone. I am Melissa Enoch here at the FMDQ studios in Lagos. All right, let's tee off with your news now. Monday, EIB Global and Zambia Industrial Commercial Bank have signed a financing agreement to mobilize 30 million euros to support agricultural value chains and private sector growth in Zambia. The facility, announced during the EU-Zambia Lobito Corridor Business Forum, in the presence of President Hakainde Hichilema and EU Commissioner Joseph Sikela, seeks to strengthen agri-food SMEs and smallholder linkages. EIB Global will provide 15 million euros, matched by ZICB, to expand access to finance for businesses relying on smallholder producers, enabling farmers to access markets, boost production, and invest in improved practices. In South Africa, Electricity Minister Dr. Kosiencho Ramankopa briefed the media on Sunday on the latest development of its nuclear energy program. The minister outlines key progress areas and new details surrounding the country's nuclear plans following weeks of heightened public interest and policy debate. Here are excerpts.
That we reactivate key facilities. Like I said, went to Regional Development Laboratory for nuclear fuel qualification. So we're placing ourselves now as big players in the world on the nuclear side. So as we explore and proceed to build our own program, we think that we can play a big role on the fuel side. And then they're also going to reactivate the helium test facility for systems testing and reactor readiness. Again, we are placing ourselves as one of the key players on the research side in relation to the nuclear fuel cycle.
In Nigeria, S&P Global Ratings has revised Nigeria's outlook to positive from stable, while affirming its B- over B long and short-term foreign and local currency sovereign credit ratings. The agency also confirmed Nigeria's national scale ratings at NGBBB plus over NGA -2. The positive outlook reflects improving external, economic, physical, and monetary indicators. S&P notes that despite low GDP per capita, a weak but improving revenue base, high debt service burdens, and data collection challenges, Nigeria's authorities are implementing measures to strengthen growth prospects and macroeconomic resilience. In Egypt, the Financial Regulatory Authority, chaired by Mohamed Farid, has revoked the microfinance licenses of 258 NGOs classified under Category C under Decision Number 258 of 2025. The move follows monitoring and inspections that found persistent non-compliance with microfinance regulations set out in Law 141/2014 and its amendment by Law 201/2020. The FRA said the decision aims to strengthen the non-banking financial sector, protect client rights, and ensure a more efficient market that supports vulnerable groups.
Let's now track how the markets open trading for the week, starting off with the equities. The Nigerian Stock Exchange slipped 1.26%, while the BRVM gained 0.65% to 339.16. The Nairobi Securities Exchange edged up 0.23% to 187.86. In South Africa, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange was almost flat, and in North Africa, the EGX 30 closed on the negative, down 0.35%. Now, finally, two metals prices. Gold traded at $4,080.20, down 0.34%. Copper declined 0.58% to $5.03, and platinum shed 0.51%. Aluminium dropped 1.95% to $2,840.05. Iron ore was steady at $103.95, down 0.10%, as at 12:39 GMT.
Grace, thank you very much for those market updates. And that's it on this Monday's edition of Money Moves. From me and the rest of the team here at the FMDQ studios, we say thank you very much for watching and bye for now.